Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Crimson Cup Coffee app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Crimson Cup Coffee is a mobile app designed for coffee enthusiasts who love convenience, rewards, and handcrafted brews. It allows users to browse the full menu, order ahead for pickup, and earn loyalty points with every purchase. Available on both iOS and Android, the app connects users with their nearest Crimson Cup coffeehouse locations and ensures a smooth and personalized ordering experience. The app's main feature is its loyalty reward system. Users can collect points, redeem exclusive offers, and receive discounts on future orders. It also provides updates on seasonal drinks, new menu launches, and special events. The easy navigation and mobile payment options make it simple to enjoy your favorite coffee without waiting in line. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's clean design, reliable order-ahead feature, and quick in-store service. The reward system encourages repeat visits, and the ability to customize drink orders makes it appealing for regular customers. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users report occasional bugs, slow updates, or issues redeeming rewards. Also, the app's full functionality may be limited to specific Crimson Cup locations, depending on your area. In summary, the Crimson Cup Coffee app may be worth using if you're a frequent customer looking for faster orders, loyalty rewards, and convenient digital payments. However, if your local cafe isn't integrated into the app or you prefer walk-in service, it might not add much value to your routine. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.